Installing a Novik vinyl attic or gable vent can seriously help keep your home cool and prevent moisture problems, so knowing how to do it right is key. Alright, so first up, you want to make sure you pick the right size vent for your attic space, because if it's too small it won't do the job, and if it's too big you might be wasting money. Grab a tape measure and jot down the area you need to ventilate. Next, check where the vent will go, usually near the peak of your gable wall or attic opening, and mark it out. Use a saw to carefully cut the hole, making sure you wear gloves and safety glasses because you don't want any accidents. Once your hole is ready, slide the Novik vinyl vent in place and secure it with screws. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten or crack the vinyl. Seal around the edges with some exterior-grade caulk to keep out bugs and water. If you're working outside, try picking a calm day because wind can mess with your measurements and make things harder. Finally, double-check that the vent opens and closes smoothly if it's adjustable, so you can control airflow when needed. One of the biggest mistakes people make when installing a Novik vinyl attic or gable vent is picking the wrong size, which leads to poor ventilation and wasted cash. Fix this by measuring your attic's square footage first and matching it to the vent's recommended coverage. Another common issue is cutting the hole unevenly or too big, which can cause gaps and let in moisture or critters. Take your time marking and cutting carefully with proper tools to avoid this. A third frequent problem is skipping the sealing step around the vent edges, which leads to leaks and drafts. Always use a good exterior caulk and inspect it after a few days just to be safe. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors easy for homeowners by connecting them with pros who know their stuff and won't mess around. Plus, it helps contractors get real jobs from people who need their skills, so everyone wins without the usual hassle.